And it's on
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve.
Here we are.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Santa's going to be coming very soon.
Welcome back to my channel. Look, guys, it's gonna be today is December 24. Yep, and we are in the grocery. And today is we're gonna have a white Christmas. Look, that car is now covered with snow. Yep. Yay! It's gonna be white Christmas. Husband is spoiling me. Right now, he bought me my look Starbucks.
Hey! Winter storm warning.
What?
Start time now, end time
25th.
December 25th at 1 p.m.
So it's gonna be 24 hours.
It's going to be
Storm.
like 15 hours of
Oh
snow.
my goodness.
I think they said 6 to 8 inches maybe.
6 to 8 inches snow?
Yeah.
So do you think we're gonna shovel the driveway?
No,
We're not?
I don't need to shovel the driveway.
Oh, because we don't.
My car can go through anything.
Yay! That makes me happy.
Keep Turkey Trail Hawk.
And we don't even need to go out. So by the time we go out,
I don't need to
it's
go
already
out.
melted.
Yeah,
You don't
we'll
go out?
see.
Yeah. Oh, me, I have to go to work on Monday.
I am on
so maybe-
vacation
Oh, yeah.
starting
forget
right
that.
now for the next
Oh,
3 weeks.
Wow. Congratulations. Have a happy holiday. Look outside, guys. It's gonna be, it's snowing. 5 o'clock p.m. I can see it. And look. Ang bilis kumakal yung snow. See? Ayan o. Snow. Oh. You can see. Snow. This is gonna be my first time to experience a white Christmas. Right? Honey?
Yes,
White
we
Christmas.
haven't had snow until this year. Yeah, since you've been here, this will be the first Christmas that we've had
White Christmas.
white Christmas.
Those cars run very slow. Why are they running so slow? It's only 20 kilometers per hour. No, 20 miles per hour. The car in front of us is running too slow. Because the road is slippery and it's dangerous. They already started plowing the road. And I wanna see the plowing the road because it's gonna get look. Is it plowing? Am I right?
Wow.
Yay! Hi everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Look, it's the fire! Yeah, our fire's going. It's on
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve.
Here we are.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Santa's going to be coming very soon. It's close. What time is it? 10:11.
Honey,
In about 2 hours, he'll be delivering all of the packages.
Santa Claus is gonna be, it's not gonna come tonight because
No, that's why I'm gonna leave my front door open and make sure he can get through the front door, because when you have a fire, it's too hot for him to come through the chimney. So we're gonna leave our front door open. That's part of the plan. I'm doing it right now. I'm gonna leave my Christmas lights on all night. We're gonna leave milk and cookies. That's what he really likes.
so you're gonna
So that he's gonna know that if he comes here, he gets to eat. And he loves to eat. So we're gonna make sure we set that up
okay.
so that he visits our house tonight.
Because Santa Claus supposed to get in the chimney, but the thing is,
Yeah,
we have a fire, so he's getting.
that's right.
So you're gonna leave the front door open for him?
Yes. And we're gonna leave him a note in the front door. Please come in. We have cookies and milk for you and carrots. He likes all of. He brings the carrots out for the reindeer. Haven't you ever heard they need fruit? Carrots love rain. The reindeer love carrots, so we're gonna leave carrots too. And the note will say that on the front door. So when he finds out he can't come through the chimney, he's gonna look at the note on the front door, come in, have cookies and milk, and then bring those carrots out for the reindeer.
You have to make a note also that once he leave, he needs to lock the door.
Okay, yes. Yeah, well, I'll make a note. Tell him not to forget that.
Not to forget.
Merry Christmas. We
Merry
love
Christmas.
you guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you so much. So we're going to cook our food now. Okay, we're gonna cook our food. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. O, diba? Yay! Nakikooperate. See you later. Hi, guys. We're cooking our dinner now. Christmas Eve filet mignon. We have here the shrimp and the scallop. I think. And lagay na natin ito sa oven for 4 minutes. Start na natin yung ating ano nga ba nakalimutan? Yung ating shrimp and scallop. Yay! Shrimp and scallop. Tararan! Kaming dalawa magse-celebrate din kasi iba pa yung bukas. Dito yung mga family niya. Butter muna. Dito natin yung ating shrimp and scallop sa butter. Guys, ito ang ating handa. Ayan, scallop, shrimp. Ayan lang, filet mignon. Ayan lang ang aming handa for tonight.
Just turned midnight.
It's just
So now it went from Christmas Eve to Christmas Day.
Oh, wow.
So now we got to get.
And the fire's still going.
We have
It's
to
already 12 o'clock.
Okay, we have to eat quick.
It's 12 o'clock.
We have to eat
Midnight.
quick
Oh, yeah.
because Santa's not going to come unless we eat quick.
Okay, come on, let's eat.
Okay.
This is my Merry Christmas. Shrimp. Let's taste the filet mignon. Sarap. Yummy.
Here's your drink. There you go, hon.
Wow. Thank you. Ang harap. Ang sarap ng yung shrimp. I think hindi na shrimp ito, lobster na. Lobster? No, prawn. Hindi na ito shrimp, prawn na ito, prawn. Pwede siya sa video para sa wag lang habang kumakain. Ang harap. Ang sarap naman.
Bye.